Hi everybody, I'm Elizabeth Hines from Our Paleo Family, and it's Butcher Box time again. I'm so excited. We are down to, we're having some ribeyes tonight, and then I have 2 more ribeyes in the freezer, and I have 1 package of pork loin chops. So we're just about out of our monthly meat from last time, so I was super excited that another box came today. And I will say, you can follow the link that my beautiful video editor puts up in the top right hand corner of the screen, and that will take you to a link to a post I have written up on my website. And I have a referral link for Butcher Box. And if you decide you want to try this company for yourself and you use my referral link, they'll offer you some sort of special deal. As of today, it's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. What's better than getting a box of meat on Valentine's Day? That's great, right? So right now it's free bacon and I think $20 off. So when I signed up, it was free bacon for a year, and then they have been offering $10 off every box for a year. So it just changes, but if you use that link, it'll give you a special offer. That, in full disclosure, that gives me a little credit to the company, which I appreciate very much. But if you order and you like it, you'll also get a referral link, and you can send that on to your friends and family, and then you could get product credit. So just share the love. So let's see what we got today. Again, I just wanted to show you the nice big box. Okay, so last month I got a black bag. This month I got this nice forest green bag. Love the variety. So here we have a bottom round roast. You know what's going to happen with that. Pot roast in the Instant Pot, right? Here's another one, and these are both 2 1/4 pounds, which really, for my family of 4, that is a great size for a roast. I'm loving that. And I was just telling my husband today, I really hope I get ground beef. So there are 4 blocks of ground beef. Awesome, awesome. This is a pork shoulder blade roast. It's almost 2 pounds, and I see another one. This is one of my favorite cuts because it's what I use. This has a different kind of label, but I think it's the same thing. This is what I use to make carnitas, which is one of my absolute favorite things. We make that in the Instant Pot. So I'm super happy to have that one. Here I have more ribeyes. No, not ribeyes, New York strip. I think before I said ribeyes, and I meant to say New York strip. So wow, I got more of these. Awesome. Okay, chicken breasts. Okay, so this is the 2nd month in a row that I've received chicken breasts, and I would really much rather have thighs. So I'm going to have to ask for that. If you have any concerns, questions, or compliments about your order, we want to hear them. So I certainly have lots of compliments. I really don't have any concerns. Maybe I just need to let them know we really like dark meat, so please send me dark meat. But again, you're supposed to get, I believe they say for this big box, it's 16 to 22 pounds. And here's my 1 package of free bacon. So that's good. So again, each of these is 2 1/4, so that's 4 1/2, 5 1/2, 6 1/2, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're still at 10 1/2. These are 10 ounces. So we'll say we're up to 12 pounds. And then each of these is, I think, around 3 pounds. That's a little over 3 pounds. So that's 15. And here is 3 more. So that's 18 pounds. And then my free bacon. So about 19 pounds of meat, and they said 16 to 22. Last month, I think I had 24, 25 pounds. So this is right in the range they told me I could expect. I'm super happy with that because 1 pound of ground beef is a dinner for my family. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 13 to 15 dinners, I would say. And this past month, I was really wondering, will this box of meat get me through my month? Because the cost of Butcher Box, and you know what, I did order, they have some specials, and I ordered one of those specials and it did not come, which just occurred to me, so I'll contact them and ask about that. But I wondered, did I say that the cost of this big box, $238, is about what I pay at Whole Foods or a farmer's market to buy this quality of meat, which I've said before, I can't really find pasture-raised chicken easily. I can find grass-fed ground beef. I cannot find heritage breed pork. So this is technically, as a whole, better quality than I can find locally. I can find Peterson's bacon, which is the best. They have that at a couple stores near me. But anyway, this cost is comparable to what I was paying for a month. So I was wondering, how much am I going to have to supplement from the store? And I did have to supplement a little bit this past month, and that was due mainly to the fact that we fed extra people. We had company, we took food to a couple families, we had extended family, so that's not unusual. It just happened that we had all of those events in 1 month. So we did, I did have to buy a little bit of extra meat, but not a lot. And as I said at the top, I have just a little bit left over. So again, Butcher Box, I'm super happy with them. And I hope you give it a try. Again, you can click the link to the post on my website to find a little bit more information there, and follow my referral link to put in your own order and get some sort of offer from them. Thanks a lot, everybody, and happy Valentine's Day.